Today, I will be showing you how to replace the ink cartridge on an HP deskjet 2050 printer. First, you're going to want to make sure the printer is turned on, so turn the power button on. Next, open the paper output and the paper input tray. You're going to want to load the paper into the paper input tray. Slide the paper width guide towards the paper, but not hard enough to have the paper bend. Next, you'll want to open the ink cartridge access door. Once the cartridge door is open, the carriage will move to the center of the printer. When the carriage stops moving, lightly press on the cartridge you would like to replace, and then pull out. The left side is the color ink, and the right side is the black ink. I will show you the black side for this demonstration. You're going to pull down until it releases and pull out. When you're handling new ink cartridges, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Here is the electrical contact and the ink nozzle. Be careful not to touch them. Touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Make sure to double check the color ink is on the left side and the black cartridge is being installed on the right side. You're going to want to slide your ink cartridge into the correct location, press until it snaps, and you're good. Now close the ink cartridge door, close the paper, and now the carriage will realign the ink cartridge automatically. And now you're good to go. For this demonstration, I've been just using an empty old HP cartridge. However, recently I've been using ink cartridges from Peachtree Ink for half the price. For example, I used to purchase my ink cartridges at Walmart. See, this HP ink that I've used in my demonstration, it normally costs $30 at Walmart. Once I switched over to Peachtree Ink, I bought a generic version for $13. It works just as well or better than the HP printer ink cartridge from my experience. And I highly recommend it for more than 50% off for this exact cartridge. $12.95 at Peachtree Ink and $29.98 at Walmart. It works just as well as the HP printer ink cartridge or better.